Moving forward with question number 2. Multiply using both lattice and column method. Lattice method also I have explained, and column method already you know. So here in question number 2, I'll explain you only, I think I'll explain you only question number C and G. Okay, I'll explain you only question C and G, and remaining all others is to be done by you all on your own. Okay, pay attention. 561 into 23. This question we have to solve using lattice method, also with the column method. So first of all, lattice method we will do. For this we will make the box like this. Okay, because we have 2-digit multiplier, so we need only a small box like this of 2 lines. Multiplicand will be written in the top side grid, and multiplier will be written in the sidewards. Again we will multiply 2 with 1. First of all we will make the lines like this, joining all the common points like this, here and then this one. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, so 2 is a 1-digit number. When it is a 1 digit, then we'll write here 0 and 2. 2 6 are 12, so 1 and 2. 2 5s are 10, so 1 here and 0 here. Like this we do in the lattice method. 3 ones are 3, that is a 1 digit, so 0 here and 3 here. 3 6 are 18, so 1 and here 8. 3 5s are 15, 1 and 5. We are done with the multiplication now. After this we have to do addition. For addition, 3 is single number, we don't have anything, so 3 like this, and here also 3. Moving ahead, 2, 0 and 8, all the 3 we have to add, so 2 plus 0 plus 8. So plus I'll make like this properly. So 2 plus 8 is 10, so I'll write here 10. Of this 10, this 1 will be carried forward in the next place, right? Like this. Now here what we have to add, that is all these digits, 1, 2, 0 and 5 now. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. Now 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. Clear? Then here we have 1 plus 1, middle 0, so no need to write that. Then here only 1. So here we have completed our addition. After adding the numbers, the digits which are written after equal to, all those will be our answers now. So 1 is here, so I'll write here 1, and then 2 9, 2 9. After this 1 was carried forward, so 0 and 3. Here 0 and 3. Your answer is 12,903. So lattice method is done. In the question it is written here to use lattice and column method both. So lattice method is here, and column method, how to solve? You know column method like this. See, when it is written both the methods now, it become easy for you to check your answer is correct or not. Okay, you see 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18, 1 carry, 15 plus 1 16, cut, 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12, 1 carry, then 11. Then we'll add 3 0 1 0 1, wait, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, here 9 will be there, no? Yes. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, and here 1. So your answer is 12,903. In column method also 12,903, and in lattice method also 12,903. This means that your solution for question number C is exactly correct. Clear? Now we'll move forward to question. I told you that C and G I will solve, and remaining A, B, D, E, F and H is to be done by you all on your own. Okay. G. Question is 745 into 821. In this question we have multiplicand and multiplier both 3 digit. So when we have both 3 digit, then we need 3 columns like this, right? Then we'll make 2 straight lines and like this. After this, what we have to do, we'll join the common ends like this. See, if your box which you are making, if that is correct, then your answer will itself become correct, because you know how to multiply, you know how to add. Only this box which we are making, that should be correct. Okay, now multiplicand is 745, so 745 multiplier is 8, 2 and 1. Now first of all, 745 we will multiply with 8, so 8 5s are 40 now. So 4 and 0, 8 4s are 32, 3 2 7s are 56, 5 6. Moving forward, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 1 5s are 5, 4s are 4 and 7s are 7, like this. And then we have to add. 5 will be written as 5 only, right? Because with 5 there is nothing to add. With 4 we have 0 and 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 4, what it will be? 4 only. Then we have 0 1 8 0 and 7, so in this I'll not write 0, I'll write only 8 1 and 7. Okay, 8 plus 1 plus 7, it will be 16, is it? Now when we have 16, then again this 2 digit number means tens place will be carried forward in the next place, it will be 1. Now moving forward, 4 2 4, right? So plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, so 4 4 8 9 10 and 11. Again this 1 will be carried in the next place here. And here what is there? Plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, so it will be 11 here. 6 plus 3 plus 6 9 10 and 11. This 1 again will be, I'll write like this, 11. Then 1 will be carried forward here. 5 plus 1 is 6. Clear? So like this we have done the multiplication. Now we have to write the answer. What is the answer here? 6 1 1, right? 6 1 1. This is also 1 and this is also 1. Then here we have 6 4 5. 6 1 1 6 4 5. So your answer is like this. Oh, here, no, 6,11,645. Now we have to solve the column method. So when you will multiply 745 into 821, when you will multiply, if you are getting answer that is 6,11,641, means your answer is correct. Means while solving your lattice method and your column method, both answers, if they are matching, means your solution is correct. Otherwise some or the other question is wrong. Okay, some or the other solution I'll say. See, 1 5s are 5, 4s are 4, 7. Cross here, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9, 2 7s are 14. Then again cross, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 32 plus 4, 36, 3 carry, 56 plus 3, 59. Okay, now we have to do addition here. How to add? 5, 4, 9 and 7, 14, no, 16, no? 1 carry, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, and here 6. So if you will see here, you are getting 6,11,645. 6,11,645. Here also 6,11,645. This shows that your solution for G is also correct. So in this question number 2, I have done C and G. Remaining all is to be done by you all on your own in your Maths Fair copies. So here we ended up exercise 5.10 also. And with this exercise 5.10, we completed our multiplication chapter. Okay, and multiplication chapter in your copies you should complete till let's evaluate all the questions. And doubts, please study and ask for the doubts.